Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I put together a simple constant current, constant voltage lab bench power supply. Now take a look at this DPS5005 constant voltage programmable power supply brick. My friends at bang.com sent it over and I'm happy to give it a try. I'm going to use a spare laptop power supply as input for the DPS5005 and ended up with a 36 volts 30 watt PSU. As output connectors I will use screw terminals, a female DC power jack connector and last but not least a female USB socket. In CAD I designed a housing with openings for all components as well as a backplate. After slicing it was only a matter of hours for my ANET A8 3D printer to finish the parts. Despite having issues with new filaments, I'm quite happy with the printed housing. A quick test fit shows that both DPS5005 and laptop PSU comfortably fit inside. A piece of stripboard is cut to size and then soldered to the screw terminals. By the way, on the right you can see my new fume extractor put together from a PC fan and two 18650 cells. Then I soldered two cables to the screw terminals which will be connected to the DPS5005's output. I inserted the screw terminals, the power jack and USB socket into the housing, connected them in parallel and secured them with hot glue. In the next step I connected the output wires to the DPS5005's screw terminals as well as the laptop PSU wires to the input screw terminals. After pushing back in the module and putting on the backplate, it's time to turn it on. Now look at this little lab bench power supply. With the help of my multimeter I verified the module's 5A short circuit current. Using alligator clamps and the power jack socket I am now able to connect to various electronics like this small light bulb. Live power and amperage readings enable me to set the right brightness by simply turning a knob. Another example would be testing the brightness of an UV LED strip or powering up small circuits. Limiting the output current protects your circuits and devices, and live readings help with testing or debugging. Now check out my Instagram for project updates, and the links for everything can be found in the description. Thanks for watching and keep doing it yourself.